Welcome to our deep dive into how AI is transforming the world of Bitcoin trading. Now, you guys know I'm all about using technology to build wealth, and AI in crypto is like having a secret weapon. We're talking about potentially game-changing strategies here, folks. Imagine being able to predict market movements, automate your trades, and manage risk like a pro. All thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore 7 key ways AI is making an impact, breaking down each strategy so you can understand how it works and its potential to boost your crypto game. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Now let's talk about the holy grail of trading, predicting the future. Imagine knowing when Bitcoin is about to skyrocket or plummet. Well, AI might not be a crystal ball, but it's getting pretty darn close. AI excels at analyzing massive data sets, and luckily the crypto market is overflowing with data. We're talking years of price movements, trading volume, even social media chatter, all ripe for analysis. AI models use something called time series analysis to identify patterns and trends in this historical data. Think of it like looking for clues in Bitcoin's past to predict its future behavior. Now let's talk about putting AI into action with automated trading bots. These bots are revolutionizing the way we approach financial markets, making trading more efficient and accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete novice, AI trading bots can offer significant advantages. Imagine having a tireless trading assistant working for you 24/7, executing trades with lightning-fast speed and precision. These bots can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human to spot. They can make split-second decisions, ensuring that you never miss an opportunity in the fast-paced world of trading. That's the power of AI trading bots. They leverage advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to continuously improve their performance. As they process more data, they become better at predicting market movements and executing trades at the optimal times. This continuous learning and adaptation make them incredibly powerful tools for traders. These bots are programmed with specific trading strategies, like buying when the price dips below a certain threshold. This strategy, known as buying the dip, allows traders to purchase assets at a lower price, potentially increasing their profit margins when the market rebounds. The bots can execute these trades automatically without any human intervention, or selling when it reaches a profit target. This is known as a take-profit strategy, where the bot sells an asset once it reaches a predetermined price, locking in profits before the market can reverse. By automating these strategies, traders can ensure that their trades are executed with precision and discipline, without being influenced by emotions or second-guessing. But here's the kicker: they don't need sleep, coffee breaks, or emotional control. Unlike human traders, who can be affected by fatigue, stress, or emotional biases, AI trading bots operate with unwavering consistency. They follow their programmed rules to the letter, executing trades based solely on data and logic. They just execute trades based on cold, hard data and predefined rules. This data-driven approach eliminates the guesswork and emotional decision-making that can often lead to costly mistakes. By relying on algorithms and statistical models, AI trading bots can make more informed and objective trading decisions. This means you can take advantage of market opportunities even while you're sleeping, working, or, living your life. With AI trading bots, you don't have to be glued to your computer screen all day. You can set your trading parameters and let the bots do the rest, giving you more time to focus on other important aspects of your life. No more glued to the charts 24/7. You can enjoy your leisure time, spend time with family and friends, or pursue other hobbies and interests, all while knowing that your trading bots are working tirelessly in the background. This level of automation and convenience is truly a game changer for traders. AI has got you covered. Whether you're looking to maximize your profits, minimize your risks, or simply free up more of your time, AI trading bots offer a powerful solution. They bring a new level of efficiency, accuracy, and convenience to the world of trading, making it easier than ever to achieve your financial goals. Now, let's talk about something that keeps a lot of investors up at night: risk. Risk is an inherent part of investing, and it can be particularly daunting in the world of cryptocurrencies. The crypto market is notorious for its volatility, which can lead to significant gains but also substantial losses. Understanding and managing this risk is crucial for any investor looking to navigate these turbulent waters. See, the crypto market is known for its wild swings, and Bitcoin is no exception. Bitcoin, being the most well-known and widely traded cryptocurrency, often experiences dramatic price changes. These fluctuations can be influenced by a variety of factors, including market sentiment, regulatory news, technological advancements, and macroeconomic trends. For instance, a positive news story about Bitcoin adoption by a major company can send prices soaring, while regulatory crackdowns can cause sharp declines. One day it's up 20%, the next it's down 15%, it's enough to make your head spin. These rapid changes can be exhilarating for some traders, but nerve-wracking for others. The key to navigating this volatility is to stay informed and be prepared for sudden market movements. This means keeping an eye on market trends, understanding the factors that drive price changes, and being ready to act quickly when necessary. That's where AI comes in with risk management. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized many industries, and finance is no exception. In the context of cryptocurrency trading, AI can be a powerful tool for managing risk and navigating market volatility. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, AI can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, providing insights that would be impossible for a human to achieve on their own. AI models can analyze massive amounts of data in real time to identify periods of high volatility. These models can process information from a wide range of sources, including market data, social media sentiment, news articles, and even blockchain activity. By identifying patterns and correlations in this data, AI can provide early warnings of potential market movements, allowing traders to make more informed decisions. They look for things like unusual trading activity, sudden price spikes, or news events that could impact the market. For example, a sudden increase in trading volume might indicate that a significant price movement is imminent. Similarly, a major news event such as a regulatory announcement or a technological breakthrough can have a profound impact on market sentiment and prices. By monitoring these indicators, AI can help traders stay ahead of the curve. Think of it like having a super sophisticated weather forecast for the crypto market. Just as meteorologists use advanced models to predict weather patterns, AI uses complex algorithms to forecast market trends. These predictions are based on a combination of historical data, current market conditions, and various external factors. While no forecast can be 100% accurate, AI can provide valuable insights that help traders make more informed decisions. Just like a meteorologist can warn you about an incoming storm, AI can give you a heads up about potential market turbulence. This early warning system can be invaluable for traders, allowing them to adjust their strategies and mitigate potential losses. For example, if AI predicts a period of high volatility, a trader might choose to reduce their exposure to the market or implement hedging strategies to protect their investments. This kind of foresight is invaluable because it allows you to adjust your trading strategy accordingly. By staying ahead of market trends and being prepared for sudden changes, traders can navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrencies with greater confidence. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, leveraging AI for risk management can help you make more informed decisions and achieve better outcomes in the crypto market. Now, let's talk about a fascinating aspect of the crypto market, one that presents some unique opportunities for savvy investors: arbitrage. You see, unlike traditional stock markets, which are centralized, the crypto market operates across numerous exchanges worldwide. And because each exchange has its own order book, trading volume, and user base, price discrepancies for Bitcoin can arise between them. This means that at any given time, Bitcoin might be trading at a slightly different price on Binance compared to Coinbase, for example. Let's face it, the crypto world, as exciting and innovative as it is, can also be a bit of a wild west. Scams, hacks, and fraudulent activities, unfortunately, are part of the landscape. But here's where AI is stepping up to make things safer. See, AI excels at detecting patterns, even subtle ones that might escape the human eye. When it comes to fraud detection, this ability is invaluable. AI algorithms can analyze massive datasets of transactions, looking for anomalies that could indicate fraudulent behavior. We all know the crypto market can be a roller coaster, right? One minute it's up, the next it's down. It's driven by hype, fear, FOMO, all those emotions we're familiar with. But imagine if you could gauge the temperature of the market before making a move. That's where sentiment analysis comes in. Picture this: AI algorithms acting like super-powered social media analysts, sifting through millions of tweets, Reddit posts, forum discussions, and news articles to figure out what everyone's really thinking about Bitcoin. Let's face it, we're not all the same, are we? Some of us are comfortable taking big risks while others prefer to play it safe. And that's fine. But when it comes to trading Bitcoin, using a one-size-fits-all strategy is like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. That's where AI comes in to shake things up. Imagine having a personal trading assistant that knows your risk tolerance, understands your financial goals, and tailors a strategy specifically for you. So there you have it. From predicting market movements to managing risk, the world of crypto trading is undergoing a seismic shift. The integration of AI into trading platforms is not just a trend, it's a revolution. Imagine a world where your trading decisions are backed by real-time data analysis, where algorithms can predict market trends with unprecedented accuracy. This is the future we are stepping into. AI is not just a tool, it's becoming an indispensable partner in the trading process. From analyzing vast amounts of data in seconds to identifying patterns that are invisible to the human eye, AI is transforming how we approach trading. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, constantly monitoring the market, and providing you with insights that can make or break your trading strategy. This is the power of AI in the world of Bitcoin trading. And the best part, this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative tools and strategies to emerge. The future holds endless possibilities, from more sophisticated predictive models to AI-driven trading bots that can execute trades with lightning speed and precision. The landscape of crypto trading is set to become more dynamic and exciting than ever before. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative tools and strategies to emerge, making crypto trading more accessible, efficient, and potentially even more profitable. The integration of AI into trading platforms is not just about making better trades, it's about democratizing access to financial markets. With AI, even novice traders can have access to the same level of insights and tools that were once reserved for professional traders. Imagine a world where anyone with an internet connection can participate in the global financial markets, where the barriers to entry are lowered and opportunities are available to all. This is the promise of AI in crypto trading. It's not just about making money. It's about creating a more inclusive and equitable financial system. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of AI and cryptocurrency trading. We are committed to bringing you the latest trends, tips, and strategies to help you navigate this exciting and ever-changing landscape. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. And be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on AI in Bitcoin trading or any questions you might have. We love hearing from our community and engaging in meaningful discussions. Your feedback helps us improve and tailor our content to better serve your needs. So don't be shy, share your experiences, ask questions, and let's learn together. Let's keep the conversation going. The world of crypto trading is vast and full of opportunities, and together, we can explore and conquer it. Join our community of traders, share your insights, and stay updated with the latest trends and developments. The future of crypto trading is bright, and with AI by our side, the possibilities are limitless. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.